Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something very simple but very powerful. These days most of us say like I don't have any English speaking environment, I don't have English speaking partner, and I don't have money to buy courses. I don't have time also. So these kind of reasons and excuses lot of English learners give. But all are missing one thing. We all have very common thing in our hands, which is our mobile. Yes, you heard me right. These days almost everyone are having their own mobile, but we are not understanding the power of it, we are not using it very wisely, right? So in this video we are going to discuss about how we can improve fluency using our only mobile without having any English speaking partner, right? So just try to watch this video till the end. Definitely we are going to learn a lot of stuff out of it. Okay, hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Krishna and you are watching Krishna Things. So let's just directly come to the point, how we can use our mobile to get fluency in English. So if I want to talk about the first point, but very effective point, which is just open a recorder in your mobile and set a timer for at least 2 minutes. So just record your voice in your mobile. Yes, you heard me right. What I mean to say, so just pick any random topic. So just it could be about any product, or just explain a story, or just have a conversation about your regular routine. So just open your record app in your mobile. So just speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Even if you speak for 1 minute, it is okay. But believe me, after recording, just go and open the file. So just start listening. So just start analyzing how you spoke in the video, and how what are the mistakes that you did in your speaking, right? So if you try to analyze it, if you try to find the mistakes in that record, in that file, so definitely you will understand your level, and how you are having the conversation, how you are delivering the words in English, right? So end of the day, what happens is, if you keep try to analyze it every day, recording for 1 minute and trying to listen again and again, and you will understand mistakes, and you will try to rectify all of those mistakes, right? So believe me, I also used to do the same thing when I was at my beginner level. Even now I do the same thing. So but as of now I record a lot of videos in my mobile, so because I feel more comfortable in recording videos. After 1 month or 1.5 months, believe me, definitely you will start seeing the better results, because you are analyzing yourself, you are analyzing your level of fluency in English, then automatically you will get the clarity. And the second thing which I wanted to discuss about, just record yourself in your mobile at least for 2 to 3 minutes, right? So not only just recording, after recording your video, right? So just try to analyze, as I said before also. So but if you are not good at facing the camera, of course it might feel uncomfortable at the initial days, but if you keep continue the process for at least 1 month, definitely you will feel more comfortable with the camera. But you don't need to upload those videos at any other platform, right? So those are just analyzing about yourself, right? So just to pick a random topic, so just try to describe about your daily life and routine, your goals and achievements, or about any like this environment, these trees and this kind of birds, right? So what not, you can speak about anything you want, but you have to have the clarity about the product, or about the thing that you want to discuss about, right? So just open a your camera and just press the record button. Just try to speak at least for 2 to 3 minutes. Even if you speak with full of slowness, and even if you are taking lot of pauses in the middle, even if you are speaking nervous in your video while recording a video, it is absolutely okay. Because you did not practice, you are not very experienced in doing it, right? So you are learning it, and you will make mistakes, and after that you will try to rectify all of those mistakes. What did you do? till yesterday, right? So believe me, definitely this recording and in voice recorder app, and also this recording in a camera definitely helps you a lot to get fluency in English. So just try to implement it from today itself, right? So, and the third thing which I wanted to discuss about, change your entire mobile language from your native language into English. Yes, so changing these simple techniques in your mobile settings definitely see the better results, and it has the potential to change your perception towards thinking about English. Yes, because what happens is, if you change your entire mobile language from your native language into English, your mind has to process English, your mind has to think in English, your mind has to uh, read and write and whatever it has to be there. Definitely, it does all those things in English only. Initially, you might not feel the difference, but after some period of time, you will start seeing the slow results in your fluency, right? So because you feel very natural to this language, you feel very comfortable with the language, right? Because you have been trying to put your efforts to learn this language from the last so many days. After some period of time, you will start seeing the better results, right? So change your all mobile settings into English. Okay, and the fourth thing but very important, which is consuming content in English. Yes, this is the most important thing, but we have to consume content in a smarter way, because these days lot of English learners are just scrolling random reels, and they're just watching unnecessary videos which doesn't even add value at least 1% to their fluency, but they're ready to watch all of them. But now what you have to do is just to pick a selected interviews or podcast, or just listen to some motivational speeches in English only. What happens is, when you try to explore yourself to this English language, your mind processes English very naturally, and some period of time you feel more comfortable with the language, right? So whatever is there, but whatever you're consuming, it has to add some value, at least one single percent to your fluency, right? So but you have to be selective, you have to be very conscious while consuming content. Okay, so this is what I wanted to say about fourth thing. And the final thing, but very important, which all have to focus about, just use your notes app in your mobile and write some about your diary, right? So if you are have a habit of writing diary in a book, it is okay, but you have to write a diary or a journal. At least try to write 2 to 3 words every single day, or 2 to 3 sentences every day in your notes app. Then what happens is, you will think a lot. You will think about what should I write in today's notes, and what should I speak about. So these kind of simple things will help you to grow more and achieve more fluency in English, right? So don't take them granted, and don't just think about them. They doesn't have any value to my English. No, it adds value, and your mobile adds value to your English if you use it in a smarter way. But lot of English learners are missing out this only simple thing. But if you use it in a smarter way, definitely you will get the fluency. But it will not happen in 1 or 2 days. It takes time, it takes your efforts, but it will definitely give you the better results, right? So I hope you got my point. So this is all I wanted to say in this video. So just I hope you will try to implement all this in your mobile from today itself, right? So I'll see you in the next video, guys. If you like this video, just try to make a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and never stop speaking. Okay.